Get in the car.
No! 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 Babe, no!
You got 2 to 10.
I'm right here.
Get
No!
All right, we got the Assistant Office Attorney General in Rhode Island get arrested off of a trespass charge. Let's see what led up to this situation. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it.
You should come over. This is not showing. This is
I want you to turn your body cam off. Protocol is that you
on?
turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off,
She's a lawyer. She's a lawyer.
So they want you guys to leave?
yes, we're gonna leave.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it
We're
easy,
gonna
okay?
leave. We're gonna make it easy.
No,
But I want you to-
that's not.
Are you
That's
with
not.
them?
I am.
Okay.
I'm her
That's not
husband.
the point. Can you look at me?
Yeah,
right in
we'll
the
talk over here, okay?
Your protocol is.
Can we all talk? Can we all talk?
Talk over here. They want you to leave.
Your protocol is. I know.
Can we talk?
Who is she to you?
What's that?
No,
she to
nothing
you?
happens. Nothing.
She is our college friend.
Okay. She's a friend.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
So this gentleman right here, he is apparently their college friend, right? So this gentleman, he's trying to simp out for their toxic behavior. So once again, they're being trespassed off the property of the restaurant because there was in other words, acting like children. But let's continue.
You guys just want to know? Do you want them trespassed?
Anything we can do. Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get them
yeah,
out.
cuff 'em, please. It's the only way.
Okay.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Do we want to chat?
I know that your
All right.
protocol is.
So you're trespassed, so we got to leave now. Unless you want to be in
We're
there.
not trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're trespassing.
So
Number one.
what did
Number
I
two.
just say to you? You're
You're
trespassed. Let's go.
Number one.
I don't
Number
want to
two.
arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that
We got to go. We got to go.
protocol
Let's go.
is.
Let's
Can we
go.
calm down for
citizen
1
protocol
second?
is if we
Yeah.
ask you to
I
turn
don't
the
want.
body
I don't
cam
want to deal
off.
with this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No, no.
I understand you don't want to deal with it,
Okay,
but the
let's go.
protocol
Wait,
is,
wait,
and your
can-
protocol
can
is
you
if I
relax?
ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and
turn
that's
the
your
body-
protocol.
She's a fucking lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's bullshit lawyer stuff. So that's not true. So we.
I agree with you, bro.
That's bullshit.
I agree with you. So, what she's saying is this: it's part of their policy is to disable the body count, but there's only one type of situation for that to happen. That's if they are only interviewing a witness to a scene of a crime. Okay. What they talking about, it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. Then also, she trying to flex because she's a sister to the Office of Attorney General. All right, so she trying to flex and also use her magical Karen problems to get her out the situation. But let's see how far it goes.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please
We're leaving.
don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of
I
here?
don't give a shit.
I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Let's go.
No.
He said, "Could you grab your children and tell them to leave?" Let's continue, y'all. This is hilarious, by the way, y'all.
They're two full-grown women and mothers of children. All right.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. I'm an AG. What are you?
What's wrong with you?
What
What's
are
wrong
you
with you?
probable cause to detain me for?
You're being detained because you're not leaving.
Because I'm what? You have
Can you relax? Sir, she's not doing anything wrong. She's
AG.
not leaving.
I'm an AG.
See, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Every single time you be having these old simp dudes that be trying to white knight for these women, especially when they know they are wrong. No, you don't, gentlemen, you don't do that. Don't put yourself in situations where it could affect you. Because what could have happened is this: that cop could have had also arrested this gentleman because they're interfering with a police investigation. So stop all that white knighting. If they're in trouble, let them deal with the consequence of their behavior. Period.
Let's go.
Buddy, you're not.
She's
not being
being
arrested. Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being
Okay,
arrested.
do you have any weapons on you?
No, I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want me to go get a badge?
Let me tell you something. You're
Buddy,
arresting.
get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
You're arresting an AG. Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Relax.
And also, this is a simple trespass. All right. You don't have to be Mirandized for a trespass, okay? Not in the state of Rhode Island.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG. Take your hands off me.
We will get the
Take your
license.
fucking hands off
Dave,
me.
we will get the license.
She's getting detained.
No.
No. We'll get the license.
Get out of here.
And once again, her college friends sent up her white knighting for them, knowing good and well they're the one who caused this toxic behavior. I'm telling you, gentlemen, do not put yourself in these situations because it never don't end well for you.
Get back right now. Get back.
detained.
No, I can't. No.
Get back. Your cuffs. Yep.
I'm right here. It's okay.
All right, just stuff in the
right
car.
here. No. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get back.
She literally
Come on,
broke
babe.
out the
No,
cuffs.
no.
Hold on. She literally broke out the cuffs, all right? That is crazy. That's crazy. I'm gonna give y'all my final thoughts about this video too, all right? I'm gonna let it play to the end.
Stop touching me.
All right.
Babe, I'm right here.
No,
right here.
babe, please, I'm scared.
I'm right here.
Please stop doing this. Please stop
right
doing
here.
this. No, I'm not gonna find hands. I'm happy.
I'm right here.
No.
Okay.
No, please don't do this to my friend.
I'm right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
no. Babe,
I'm right here.
babe,
I'm right here.
no, babe.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
What's wrong with you?
Relax.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. Let's go. Let's go.
No, babe.
Listen, you're overreacting.
You're adding charges.
You're overreacting.
No. Don't, please take my hands out. Please take Devon out of handcuffs. No, please
You
take
were overreacting. You didn't have this. You didn't have to have this happen. Get in the car.
No, no, no! Babe, no!
You got two to take.
I'm right here.
Get in the
No!
car. Just put her in.
No!
Get back. Get back, bro.
In the car. Get in the car.
Get your feet in the car.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
This is crazy.
Get your feet in the car.
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Dan!
Babe, I'm right here.
No! Babe! Babe! No!
Get your feet in the car.
Who the fuck are...
Get
Don't
your
touch
feet
me!
in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Dan!
Babe, I'm right here. I'm right here.
No! Who the fuck are you? This is so
You're
inappropriate! You're overreacting! Dan!
That was crazy.
So, they wanted him to trespass. And they were just throwing a fucking fit. Trevor, we've got two to take.
So here's my final thoughts about this video, right? My final thoughts is this. Y'all remember almost a couple of months ago when this same gentleman who got arrested by the police officer, I forgot that dude's name, but he's currently, have the civil rights attorney helping him with his case. Now, I agree in his situation that, he also did things to kind of provoke the situation from happening and stuff, right? But the point that I want to make is that I could see total difference between that situation and this current situation right here, where these Rhode Island police officers gave them plenty of opportunity. You're seeing on the video that the lady literally broke out the cuffs and literally just by getting ready to run away. The lady was kicking the door and screaming, and they didn't do nothing but except for the close the door on her, and that was it. So this is what the black community be saying about the favoritism that law enforcement officers do with people who are not of color. All right, they give them plenty of opportunities and everything. You know what I'm saying? They really do versus people of color which they don't. Even the dude that was after a white knighting for her, right? If that would been a person of another color and they had walked up to him, they had immediately arrest them as well too for obstruction of a police investigation or whatever they want to call it. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole video as well too, right?